Hey guys, what's up? It's Mr. Ds18 and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we got the ZXI15. This is dual voice coil 2-ohm version. It is a 15-inch monster, beefy surround, a lot of power, a lot of bass. We're gonna open it up, see what's inside, show you guys the sub, shoot some specs, then we're gonna go take it over there and do some flex videos the way you guys wanna see. So let's open this bad boy up. Turn it around. ZXI 15.2. We got DS18 sticker, manual with some specs, cardboard, and 15-inch monster. Let's take this thing out of the way. Check this baby out. ZXI 15, check this out. 4 stacks, aluminum basket, beefy surround, foam surround. This thing is beautiful. This thing is beautiful. Some specs. So 1000 watts RMS, 2000 watts max power. This is a 3-inch voice coil. Frequency response starts from 15 hertz all the way up to 900 hertz. Sensitivity is 89 dBs. Check this bad boy out. Let's flip it around. Look at that motor. Look at that. Nice DS18 stamped on the back. 15 HighExcursion subwoofer. ZXI 15. We like it loud. 3-inch voice coil. Aluminum basket. Nice butt connectors. Check those out. Now, what everybody wants to see. Some flex video. Let's go. Woo! Ha. What do you guys think about that? Tell me this thing doesn't push air. Well, you guys know what to do. Link will be posted down below. Thank you guys for tuning in to another unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18 and we like it loud.